to Recipe Box. My name's Amy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a jalapeno cheese monkey bread. What you'll need is 12 of our Rhodes dinner rolls, and you want them thawed but just cold. And then what you'll do is you're going to take each one and cut it into fourths, just with a pair of scissors, easy, just like that. And then what you'll do next is you're going to take your bread pan, you want to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray, and then you're going to start layers. So we're going to take 16 of our pieces and dip them into butter and put them in the bottom of the pan. And what you'll do is you're going to layer with some cheese and a third of your jalapenos, and then some oregano and garlic powder sprinkled on top. Okay, so now I'm going to layer with another 16 of our rolls, another handful of cheese, another handful of jalapenos, and then sprinkle with some garlic powder and oregano. And then on this last layer, you're going to do everything the same except for the cheese. You're not going to put the cheese on yet. So I'm going to put the jalapenos, garlic powder, and then what you'll do is you're going to cover this with plastic wrap, and you want to let it rise until about doubled in size. And I'm going to spray my plastic wrap so it doesn't stick. And then when it's risen, doubled in size, you'll bake at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. You're going to take it out and put the cheese on the top so it doesn't burn, and then put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. I'm going to let this rise and bake it, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done baking. So here is our jalapeno cheese monkey bread. This is great for a party, or it's great with dinner. If you'd like the complete recipe, visit rhodesbread.com, and thanks for baking with Rhodes.